thousands of people across the UK, we come together to think of those who have made the ultimate sacrifice in service of their country, to think of their families and friends, and those who have suffered lasting injuries and harm. As an organisation, it's also the time when we remember our former colleagues who are no longer with us, and particularly those who died in service. It is an opportunity as a group to remember them, to honour them, and to never forget them. Their service and their sacrifice will be forever in our thoughts. They shall grow not old, as we that are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them.